what I'd like to do today is just address some common questions, especially for folks that have been looking into the all-in-one and they're struggling with making a decision. They're not comprehending one element or one aspect of the product. And from your perspective, want to hear what are some of the common objections, things that people are asking you about when they're looking into the all-in-one loan product for themselves.
Yeah, so there's so many different um, people that come looking for this product for different solutions. However, we kind of see the funnel of the questions that are being asked kind of all remain in line with one another. A lot of people right out of the gate start to think, well, if my payment's interest only, because this product is an interest only product, how do I pay my home off faster? And it's not just one component. It's like saying, okay, well, I have a car but it's not moving. Okay, well, do you have wheels? Do you have gas? Do you have a battery in the car? There's so many other components that go to making your car move. Just like a car, the all-in-one has a lot of products to help you move. So the part of the all-in-one that can turn the product from being inefficient to extraordinarily efficient is where your actual deposits go. So if you're saying, hey, I'm going to still earn my money into Wells Fargo because they give me 1% on my checking and savings account, and then I'm going to transfer over my interest only payment to my all in one every single month, it's not the right product for you. However, if you were to flip where your deposits go because your income is applied towards the principal balance, your payment just comes out from your line of credit of whatever is owed. So as long as you're depositing more into the account than you're spending on a monthly basis, you're going to see that account go up and down. And what I mean by up and down is that you earn your money, it goes down. You go through the course of the month and you put money on your credit card and you go, great, I need to pay my bills off. So your balance goes up. And then the next paycheck comes in and it follows that trajectory down. So it's not just a perfect straight linear line. If you look at it, it's going to be zigging its way down.
Right.
That's how the product is beneficial. If you owe half as much in 12 months from today, and rates remain the same, essentially your payment has gone down by half. It's pretty simple. It's just you're kind of getting lost. You're losing the forest through the trees kind of situation.
Gotcha, gotcha. And I think that is a huge underrated aspect of deposits. Where are you depositing your income? I've
Correct.
actually had clients that acquired the all-in-one loan before working with me, and they may have had it for 6 months or a year or maybe even longer. And there's one client in particular that I'm thinking about where it's a husband and wife. Wife acquired the all-in-one and was only using her income to basically pay down the all-in-one loan product. Now, she managed to still pay the all-in-one loan off sooner than what she was normally doing with her
Hmm.
primary mortgage. So that's still a win there. But once I educated, I was like, we've got husband's income. He's bringing in about 5K a month that we could easily move that over into the all-in-one. And then if husband needs money in a separate account or needs cash, by just creating one extra step, by just
Hmm.
having the income go to the all-in-one loan first, then you move the money and send it to Wells Fargo, Bank of America, wherever you like. So I'm a big
Exactly.
advocate all the time, and this is relevant to a personal line of credit, a second position home equity line of credit, any qualified revolving line of credit that allows you to deposit all of your income directly into the line of credit.
Mhm.
It is in your best interest if you're trying to accelerate the pay down of that credit line faster. It would benefit you tremendously on a day-to-day basis to have your income go to the bank that your all-in-one loan is at,
Yes.
right? So wherever your all-in-one loan was issued at, you're going to want to have your direct deposits transferred. You want to have your bill pay. And yes, that can be a little bit of a headache, especially for clients who are in their 50s and 60s that have been with Wells Fargo for 35 years, or they've been with this one bank for their whole entire life. Um, Oftentimes that can be like a very chaotic transition for some folks, but just know that for 1 month of inconvenience
Hmm.
could mean thousands of dollars in interest savings,
Exactly.
tens of thousands of dollars of more cash flow back into your economy. Is it worth doing that? And when I break that down for a lot of folks, they're like, they start to shake their head. Okay, let me work on that. They really start to consider it, because we're talking a lot of money that could be saved just by means of moving funds from one location to another. And I'm not saying to close that bank account. Like, you can absolutely still have that bank account. It's just a matter of, it went here first and then you moved it, rather than having your income land at Bank of America, have to wait 3 to 5 days to submit the payment to All in One for it to register, and then for you to have to pull it out, go right back there to pay whatever expense you're looking to do. So
Exactly. I mean, if you were to spend 30 minutes on your portal, you'd have clicked everything that you can see and understand everything that there is to do. And, the way that my mind works is, okay, if I had my money not in the account for 3 days, that could be, you know, it may seem like a small number, but that could be $10 in interest saved or spent. And my thought is, okay, well, that's lunch for a day, or that's me being able to go and grab a quick snack or a couple gallons of gas. Like, it kind of starts to add up
oh
mentally, and I
yeah,
try and allocating that money not to just a dollar, but saying, oh, I just saved 3 gallons of gas or 2 gallons of gas or whatever your item is.
absolutely. Cool.